Hello, everybody. Happy Monday. It's October 5th. Real quick, I want to show everybody how to do the person of significance essay. Because we have been working on in detail in class, but it's a little bit different when you're doing online learning. Oops, excuse me about that. So what I did, I saw 9 people already posted it, but I'm still gonna show you how to do this. Um, I was just messing around in class today to kind of show people what I was looking for. Um, Let me zoom in on this. And pretty much what we kind of decided, if you look up here, a person of significance is, and then you're going to give your definition based off that brainstorm that you came up with. That there's a video about that from last week that you can watch. And then we use the semicolon because last week we worked on using semicolons correctly. And then to me, that person would be who. So you're coming up with a person of significance that you're going to focus on. I've written 3 example essays now. I wrote one about Dr. Mathis. I wrote one about my wife. Both of those are available from last week. And today, just having fun with it. My first period decided that I was going to write my essay on Billy Captain America Sky. I don't know where they got that name from, but I said, hey, let's have fun with it. And the big thing, though, guys, that introduction, we're keeping it short, simple, to the point. So I just mimic what I saw up here. A person's significance is someone that you love and trust and inspires you. That's my definition. If you like to use something somewhere, that's fine. Remember, you can't go wrong with your definition as long as you explain why, okay? And then I said, to me, that person will be Billy Captain America Sky. I don't know who Billy Captain America Sky was, so I just had fun with it, and I made up some stuff. So what I did, when you get to, oops, I'm moving the wrong thing here. When you guys start to look at the essay, and this is posted in Google Classroom so you can read it, I just came up with random stuff about the importance of Billy Captain America Sky because he's not a real person, so I just kind of had fun with it. But I answered the question why he was a person of significance to me. Okay, so I came up with one about how we met in pre kindergarten in 1932. Not really. I came up with that we were 1975 Norwegian Olympic bobsledding silver medalists. Not really, but the whole point was I was trying to explain why they're a person of significance to me. And then I came up with that we have a mixtape called Beef Jerky Blues Clues. Again, not really, but I was explaining why. Okay, so between the Dr. Mathis example essay and the one about my wife and this one, you kind of have the idea of how to do that person of significance essay. I would definitely, though, guys, feel this when you do this. A person of significance is, tell me what it is to you, because it'll be different for every person. To me, that person would be, and then give the name of that person, because it covers, you define what person of significance is, and you tell me who you're going to be discussing, and those are the 2 big things we're looking for in your intro. So use that kind of as your guide and go from there. The conclusion, you can look at my conclusion. What I told the kids, they were on their own for the conclusion. Just make sure it looks kind of like the intro. Make sure it looks like, sounds like, tastes like the intro. My conclusion is down here. It looks, sounds, and acts kind of like the intro. But you're kind of on your own for that one. I'm not going to guide you on that because that's something that you should be able to do on your own at this point. Okay. If you got any questions, don't hesitate to email me. And like I said, this is on Google Classroom. Let me go back so you can see. There's the prompt that we talked about. And then there's, another example essay. I can tell 9 people turned it in all right, which is great. Got any questions? Send me an email, okay? And until then, peace out.